Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I have the reveal of the transformation of the guest room and how to transform your guest room into an elegant DIY makeover. And of course, I have a few tips, tricks, hints, and ideas to create a luxurious retreat with some DIY home decor, elegant interior designs, creating a luxurious guest room that is cozy with timeless wall colors, bedding, all of the fixings. Let's get right into the video. A quick recap of the guest room transformation and all of the essentials that I did in the room: filling in nail holes, painting the walls to a serene whisper white, simple yet elegant, impactful touch. Turned my attention to the DIY headboard, foundational elements that need to be added this beautiful space, and I am very much excited to move forward to the final stage of this makeover, adding the carefully selected accessories that will complement the elegant and welcoming aesthetic of this guest room. I invite you to take a look around the room, and you'll notice that the beautiful chairs that I previously owned are still with me. Adorned the windows with some new drapery and some elegant drapery rods. They are pretty much the same as my previous home, and that's okay. I really did like them. I love the color, the softness of them, and all of the light that it allows to filter through the windows. So as we look around, you'll notice that the walls definitely need some artwork to add some character. Addressing that, along with that, I'll be dressing the table to enhance the room's overall elegance. Truly did enjoy the mirrors I used in the primary bathroom makeover in the previous home, and I wanted something very much similar for this space. I found these beautiful gold gilded mirrors. While they aren't very large in scale, they still make a significant impact by adding a touch of the classic and classy elegance to the room's overall feel with the gold. I really like the shape of them and the curves, of course. I will place each mirror flanking the bed to further open up the space. So as we know, mirrors with their reflective quality, they definitely add a touch of elegance and light, enhancing the room's, again, overall ambiance, especially with the gold touch. Now that the mirrors are in place and more light is pouring in, beautifully reflecting the room's overall feel, we can turn our attention to the bed. For a truly inviting and luxurious bed setting, consider layering textures and incorporating subtle varieties of shades of the colors of the space. So with this approach, we'll add depth and sophistication, and definitely for this space, creating a cozy yet elegant retreat for many guests to come. Address the wall. I discovered this frame piece while out pre-love shopping, and of course, you know I love a beautiful gold frame, especially one that has matte. This particular piece features blues, creams, and hints of soft beige, which was just what the room needed to allow me to create a personal art piece for the space. I still appreciate negative space, so this will be the only piece on the wall. I used some painter's tape and drywall compound to achieve the overall look, and in the next video I'll show you exactly how I created this elegant and classy art for the wall. If you're interested, it'll be there for you to follow along. I carefully took apart the matting. Take your time with this part if you do a project such as this, and then I painted right over the existing poster to create the personalized art piece for the space. Next up, I will add a pair of lamps on either side of the bed, followed by a simple yet elegant piece like a couple of books to add some height and some interest, as well as spreading the color ever so slightly around the room. I will include a blue vase with a rib body that is not very tall, along with two bunches of florals that I will arrange in a simple yet understated vase in this cream color. This overall look will create for me an elegant, soft look, especially with the floral arrangements in the creams and the greens, bringing in that touch of life to the space. I'll place this arrangement on the nightstand to complete that entire area. The room's finishing touches complete, the room now radiates that timeless, elegant, classic, and classy warm space that I was trying to achieve. The serene whisper white walls provided a classic and versatile backdrop for all of the elements that I added to the space, offering again a sophisticated canvas that enhances every design choice that I have made thus far. With the floral arrangement, it had delicate colors of green, gentle greens, which added that refreshing touch of life, touch of nature, infusing the space with life and softness. Bedding was chosen for its luxurious texture, warmth, and it invites a cozy, comforting embrace, ensuring that every guest feels very welcome and pampered when they are visiting. Together, these elements, all of them, created this harmonious and inviting atmosphere I was definitely going for, where classic design meets contemporary elegance. So may this transformed space be a serene retreat that will reflect both beauty and grace and offer a haven of comfort for all who enter my space. Thank you all for joining me. This has been Chanel. As always, stay inspired, motivated, and keep moving by all means, creating something beautiful, if not for yourself, then definitely for someone else. I'll see you all for the next one.